Hello students, मैं BL Sharma, Maths. In this class, I will be discussing with you about some chapters of mathematics for National Talent Search Examination, means NTSE, or State Talent Search Examinations, means STSE, means various mathematics Olympiads. And in this, you will see that almost all the chapters of 9th and 10th and some chapters of 8th are there in this in the syllabus of this STSC, NTSC, and various mathematics Olympiads. So that is mathematics, NTSC, STSC, various mathematics Olympiad 2023 onwards, means for the coming year means 2023, and for the later examinations. And I'm taking two chapters, that is laws of exponents and factorization. Some laws of exponents are there, that is in 8th standard, 9th standard, and also in 10th standard. So first of all, if there is a number, non-zero number, if there is any number whose power is 0, that will be equal to 1. A should not be equal to 0, because if A is 0, this base is 0, then that is not defined. That is indeterminate term. And if there is any number, any real number, if you take the power 1, means any number, and you take the power 1, the number is itself will be equal to itself only. And in the third law, if base are same, here A is base and A is base, and sign between them is a multiplication, then what we do, we put the same base and add the powers. Here power is M and N, and base is A. So put the same base and add the powers, that is M plus N. And next law is A power M and divided by A power N. Base is same, you see. Here A power M and A power N, then what you do, you put the same base and power M minus power N. And in fifth laws, it is A power negative M. So how to make the power positive? You take the reciprocal of the base. Here base is A. You take the reciprocal, that is 1 upon A, and change the sign of the power. Here the exponent, the power of the exponent is negative. You make it positive. Here you will see it is A power negative M. We have taken the base of A, that is 1 upon A, and we have changed the sign of the power, that is now positive M. In next law, if the base, there is power of power. Here base is A, M is power, then whole power is N. Then what we do? We put the same base, that is A, and multiply the power, means M into N. In the next law, if there are 2 or more than 2 terms, and this power is whole power is M, then this power M is the power of each means variable inside the bracket. So this M power is of A also. This M is the power of B also. So A power M multiplied by B power M. And similarly, if it is A upon B whole power M, then this power M is the power of numerator as well as the power of denominator. And now some questions for practicing questions are on your screen. Evaluate 3 power minus 1 multiplied by 9 power minus 1 divided by 3 raised to the power minus 2. We have to simplify it. So for this, we have to check, we have to see the laws of exponents. These are, you will see here, that is A power minus M is equal to 1 upon A power M, or you can say take the reciprocal of the base and put the and make the change the sign of the power. So you can also see the various laws here. These are various laws of exponent here, but we need only this this formula here. So again, we are using this formula here. So say how to solve it. That is 3 power minus 1. We can write 1 upon 3 power 1 multiplied by 9 power minus 1 upon 9 power 1 divided by 3 power minus 2 means 1 upon 3 power 2. As I told you, that if you want to change the sign of the power, then what you do, you take the reciprocal of the base. Yeah, reciprocal of 3 is 1 by 3. Reciprocal of 9 is 1 upon 9. And reciprocal of 3 is 1 by 3. Now on further simplification, that is 1 by 3 into 1 upon 9 into 9 upon 1. 9 and 9 cancel. So that is 1 upon 3. 1 upon 3 answer. So when we simplify this, we'll be getting the answer 1 by 3. Evaluate 3 power minus 1 divided by 4 power minus 1 whole power 2. We have to use the rules of exponent here. So what are laws of exponent here? You will see that is, yes, a power minus m is equal to 1 upon a power m, or you can say 1 upon a power m. यहाँ पे आपको ये formula use करना पड़ेगा. So then we can use this formula. We can write here 3 power negative 1, that is 1 by 3, divided by 4 power minus 1, that is 1 power 4 power 2. So solve the bracket first. 1 by 3 into 4 power 1, that is 2. So 4 upon 3 power 2, that is 16 upon 9. Answer. So on simplification, we get a 16 upon 9 answer. Evaluate minus 3 upon 4 power negative 2 whole power 2. For this, we have to go for the some laws of exponent, and these are if the power of any number is negative, how to make it positive? Take the reciprocal of the base and put the same power. And yes, if there is power of power, then you multiply the put the same base and multiply the powers here. So how to do? So for this question, we go for say minus 3 upon 4. देखिए, say this power is minus 2, whole power is 2. So multiply these two powers, minus 2 into 2, that is minus 4. So that is minus 4, number 1. Then again, we know if there is sign is negative, so how to make it positive? Take the reciprocal of the base. So in next step, I'll be taking 4 upon minus 3 power 4. So 4 times we write 4 times 4 upon minus 3 into 4 upon minus 3 into 4 upon minus 3. You have to multiply the same number 4 times. So 4 4s are 16, 16s are 256, 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27, 2s are 3s are 81. The sign will be positive here because negative sign are 4 times, even times. So this is answer of this question. Now we have to go for the next question. Find x if 9 multiplied by 3 raised to the power x is equal to 27 whole power 2x minus 3. To solve these kind of questions, we have to compare the power. For that, we have to keep the same base left hand side as well as right hand side. So here 9 can be written 3 square. So we can write here 3 square into 3 power x. Right hand side 27 can be written 3 into 3 into 3. So that is 3 power 3. So 3 power 3 whole power 2x minus 3. We know if base is same, if a power into a power m into a power n, then we put the same base and add the power. That is the rule. And so we can write left hand side 3 power 2 plus x. Right hand side, if there is power of power, then multiply for the same base and for the same power, multiply by the same power. So multiply 3 by 2x minus 3. On further simplification, we have 3 raised to the power 2 plus x and 3 raised to the power 6x minus 9. Here we observe that left hand side and right hand side, the base is same. That is 3. So powers will also be same. Left hand side and right hand side, the exponents will also be same because here the sign is of equality. So on comparing left hand side and right hand side, we can write here 6x minus 9 is equal to 2 plus x. So 6x minus x, that is 2 plus 9. So 5x is equal to 11. So x is equal to 11 upon 9. So 11 upon 9 is the answer of this question. Now, next question on your screen. Compute means find the value of, after simplification, 1 raised to the power 8, 3 raised to the power 0, 5 raised to the power 3, and 2 raised to the power 2. We know that whatever may be the power of 1, that is always 1. 1 power any number, 1 power 0, that is 1, 1 power 1, that is 1, 1 power 5, that is 1, 1 power 100, that is also 1. And if so, in place of 1 raised to the power 8, 1 this raised to the power 8, this one, in place of this, we can write 1. Now, 3 raised to the power 0, this one, that is equal to 1. If there is power, you can see this formula here. A raised to the power 0, that is equal to 1. So we can write in place of 3 raised to the power, we can write 1. Now, 5 raised to the power 3. 5 raised to the power 3 means multiply 5 3 times itself. So that is 125. So we can write 125. And 2 raised to the power 2. So 2 into 2, that is 4. So on further multiplication, 125 multiplied by 4, that is 500. So 500 is the answer of this question. Now, next question on your screen. Compute 27 upon 64 whole power minus 2 upon 3. See here, what we do, 27 is 3 power 3 and 64 is 4 power 3. 4 into 4 into 4, that is 64. So 27 upon 64 can be written as 3 upon 4 whole power 3. And now that is minus 2 upon 3 as it is. But again, we know that if there is base and there is power of power, then what we do, we put the same base and multiply the powers. So 3 upon 4 multiply the powers. So 3 and 3 cancel out. Further, we can write 3 upon 4 power minus 2. I think you know the rule how to make the power positive by taking the reciprocal of the base and make the power positive. So 4 upon 3 power 2. I think it is clear to you. This power is negative. We have to make it positive. But at the same time, if you are changing the sign of the power, you have to take the reciprocal of the base. Reciprocal of 3 upon 4 is 4 by 3. And now the answer is 4 square is 16 and 3 square is 9. So 16 upon 9 is the answer of this question. I think it is clear to you. And now next question on your screen. Simplify 64 power minus 2 whole power minus 3 divided by minus 8 power 2 whole power 3 whole power 2. How to simplify these kind of questions? So for that, we have to first go for the laws of exponents. So you will see here laws of exponents are, if there is power of power, here see this is minus 2, this power is minus 3. So power of power, in the case of power of power, we put the same base and multiply the powers. Here, these are also powers, so you can multiply all these powers, right? So, we have to simplify it. See, left-hand side, I'm writing, 64 power minus 2 multiplied by minus 3, that is plus 6. Divided by minus 8 power 2 here we can write minus 8 power 2, that is minus 8 into minus 8, that is 64. So we can write 64 multiplied by now the powers are we already have taken minus 8 power 2, that is 64. Now that is power of power. So 3 is power, whole power is 2. So 3 2s are 6. So we write here 6. So 64 power 6 upon 64 power 6, that is 1. And this is answer of this question. I think it is clear to you. Now we move on to the next question, and next question now on your screen. Simplify, this is question number 8, 125 x power minus 3 whole power 1 upon 3. So first of all, we again have to go for the laws of exponents, and these laws are, if a and b whole power n, then this is power of a and power of b, that is 125 and x. So this 1 upon 3 is the power of 125 is the power of x. So we have to keep this one thing in mind, and we all know that how to make this, how to change the, if the power is negative, then how to make the power positive by taking the reciprocal of the base. We can change the sign. So its solution is C. This 125 can be written as 5 into 5 into 5. So we can write 5 power 3. So we can write 5 power 3 into x power minus 3 whole power 1 by 3. So this power 1 upon 3 will be the power of 5 power 3 will also be the power of x power minus 3. So for that, we write here 5 power 3 whole power 1 by 3, x power minus 3 whole power 1 by 3. Now again we know that if there is power of powers, then put the same base and multiply the powers. So 5, 3 into 1 by 3. See here, this power is 3, whole power is 1 by 3. So you multiply these two powers, 3 multiplied by 1 by 3. This is 3 multiplied by 1 by 3. And x power, you write here, that is also power of powers. That power is minus 3, whole power is 1 by 3. So you multiply these two powers, means minus 3 should be multiplied by 1 by 3. So that is minus 1 by 3 into 1 by 3. So this 3 and 3 is cancelled. That is 5 power 1 means 5. This 3 and this 3 cancel. That is 5 power minus x. So this 5 as it is. Now what we have to do? We have to change the sign of this negative to positive. For that, we have to take the reciprocal of the base. Here, base is x and its reciprocal will be 1 upon x. So we can write x. And 5 upon x is the answer of this question. Yes, I'm BL Sharma, taking your Miss TSC, STSC Olympiad class today. Simplify x power a plus b whole power a minus b multiplied by, here dot is not decimal. This is sign of multiplication. X power b plus c whole power b minus c and multiplied by x power c plus a whole power c minus a. We have to simplify it. So for that, what we do? We know if there is power of power, then we put the same base and multiply the power. So power should be multiplied. X power a multiplied by x power b. Say, this is a plus b and this whole power is a minus b. So you multiply these powers. And for next, this is x power b plus c, you multiply by b minus c. And for x, that is, I'm taking some more space, so I'm writing again. C. It is x power a plus b multiply by a minus b, x power b plus c multiply by b minus c into x power c plus a multiply by c minus a. A plus b into a minus b, that is a square minus b square. B plus c into b minus c, that is b square minus c square. And c plus a into c minus a, that is c square minus a square. We already have seen if the base is same. If base is same, see here, the base is x here, the base is x here, and the base is x here. Then put the same base and add the powers. So these all powers should be added. So a square minus b square, this one. Then plus b square minus c square, then plus c square minus a square, plus b square minus c square plus c square minus a square. then you will notice here that plus a square is cancelled by minus a square, minus b square cancelled by b plus b square, minus c square cancelled by plus c square. So here then you will be getting x power 0 and x power 0 is 1. So 1 is answer of this question. So on simplification, we will be getting the answer of this question that will be equal to 1. Now, next question on your screen. Find the values or value of n when 12 raised to the power minus 5 multiplied by 12 raised to the power 2n plus 1, that is equal to 12 raised to the power 13 divided by 12 upon 7. For what we do, left hand side, you will see that base is same 12, 12, and sign between them is of multiplication. So means put the same base and add the powers. So that is minus 5 plus 2 and plus 1. That is equal to 12 power 13. That is 13 minus 7, because the sign of this is division. So 13 minus 7. On further simplification, that is 12 power 2n minus 4. And right hand side 12, that is 6. 13 minus 7 is 6. Again, if you compare left hand side and right hand side, you will see here the base is same. So the power will also be same left hand side and right hand side. So 2n minus 4, that will be equal to 6. So twice of n, 4 plus 6, that is 10. So n is 10 by 2, that is 5. So the value of n here will be 5, and this is answer of this question. And now we go for the next question. The question is factorize x squared out, factorization. X square multiplied by a minus b minus y square multiplied by a minus b plus z square multiplied by a minus b. Here you will see that what is common. A minus b is common. So you take a minus b common. In all the cases, what is left in first part, that is x square. In second part, that is y square, and third part, that is z square. So this is answer of this question. Very simple. That is factorization. Factorization means class 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. No factorization is there, but it is in 8th class, it is in 9th class, and so many questions are there in NTSC or STSC or various mathematics Olympiads. And now the next question on your screen. Factorize x plus y multiplied by a plus b plus x minus y multiplied by a plus b. Here you will see that a plus b is common, this side as well as this side. So take it out, take it common. So a plus b, when you take common, then you write x plus y plus x minus y. What is left? See, this side left x plus y, and this side in this second part left x minus y. You further simplify a plus b as it is, open the bracket, that is x minus y. You will see that plus y and minus y is cancelled out. So x plus x, that is twice of x, and in multiplied by a plus b. And this is answer of this question. Now, next question on your screen. Factorize a square minus ab minus ca plus bc. In that case, what we have to do, we have to make the pairs of first two and last two make the pairs. That is, first pair is of in this uh, a square minus ab, and second pair from this means minus ca and bc. So taking the first two means parts, we are right. What is common? A is common, so A minus B. In second, what is common? Minus C is common, so that is A minus B. What is again common? A minus B is again common. So, and what is left here? In first part, it is A, and second, that is C. So, factorization of A square minus AB minus CA plus BC will be A minus B multiplied by A minus C. These are two factors, and this is answer of this question. And now next question on your screen. Factorize 3a square b minus 12a square minus 9b plus 36. Taking the pair of first two, what is common in the first two terms means what is common in these two terms? That is 3a. What is left? AB minus 4a. Sorry, I am taking 3a square common. In first two, 3a square is common. So b minus 4. Here you can take minus 9 common. So b minus 4. Again, what is common? B minus 4 is common. So you can take b minus 4 common multiplied by 3a square minus 9. Again, what is common in 3a and minus 9? 3 is common. So you take common 3, that is a square minus 3. So final answer is 3, b minus 4, a square minus 3, and this is answer of this question. And now next question on your screen. Factorize x square minus bracket b minus t bracket close x minus 2b. So first of all, we open the bracket, that is x square minus bx plus twice x minus twice of b. Now taking first two term, what is common in first two terms? First two terms means b two terms. Then these two terms. So in first two terms, x is common. What is left? X minus b. In last two terms, 2 is common. So what is left? X minus b. Again, x minus b is common. So take x minus b common. That will be x plus 2. And this is answer of this question. Now we can go for the next question. Yes. I am BL Sharma, Maths. Factorize a plus 2b whole square minus a square. Again, using the same formula, x square minus y square is x plus y multiplied by x minus y. So a plus 2b plus a and ab plus 2b minus a and a, that is 2a plus 2b, b plus a minus a cancel, that is 2b. What is common in 2a plus 2b? 2 is common. So a plus b into twice of b. So finally we can write 2 into b into a plus b. And this will be answer of this question. These are the factors. So now next question on your screen. Factorize 5a minus 2b whole square minus 2a minus 2b whole square. The same formula is to be used here. We know that x square minus y square is x plus y multiplied by x minus y. So taking one time plus, so 5a minus 2b plus 2a minus b, ये plus यूज किया हमने, and now 5a minus 2b put in bracket minus 2a minus b. Open the bracket, 5a minus 2b plus 2a minus b, that is 5a minus 2b minus 2a plus b. 5a plus 2a, that is 7a minus 2b minus b, that is minus 3a. 5a minus 2a, that is 3a minus 2b plus b, that is minus b. And this is answer of this question.